The purpose of introducing solid to baby after completion of 6 months is the iron depletion that is happening inside their body, which they carried as a storage from mother's womb, and the extra nutrition requirement because extracurricular activities are also going to start. Now remember this, that breast milk or formula milk will still remain the main food for your child until a year, and solid would be given in minimal amount because it is still called as complementary feeding, not the main food. And at many houses we see that there is a practice of giving dal ka pani or watery lentil or watery porridge, which is not at all ideal because it has no healthy fat, carbohydrate, protein or iron. It just has some negligible amount of vitamins. So this is one reason, and the other reason, it is interfering in your baby's breast milk intake because it is just filling your baby's stomach without any nutrition. So please make it a point to give solid as solid, which is at least thick enough to sit on your finger. Now you can mash the dal and give to your child. If you think it can cause digestion issues, please add a pinch of cumin powder or coriander powder, and even to the porridges that you give to your child. So remember, no watery foods to your child until a year.